Welcome back. Today we are making a fruiting chamber for your home grow. It's really easy to make, very cost effective, and one of my favourite ways to fruit mushrooms. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. So for this we're going to need a box and some perlite, which can be found at any garden store. And we take a drill, giving it 2 quick pumps. And then in the lid, we drill a bunch of holes. Many holes. Speed that up a little bit for you. It doesn't have to be too accurate, too even. Doesn't make a whole lot of difference. There's the lid finished. Look at that. Lots of nice holes. Right. Same thing with the bottom of this box. Another grid of holes that we drill in. Just like that. And we do the same for the sides, but not all the way. I like to do 2 layers of holes at the top. There's a reason for this. Same again on the other side. Just like that. This is going to allow for fresh air exchange. Okay. Now we want to measure out some perlite. And I'll measure it out by pouring in the amount I want in the tub first. Just like this. Keep going. We want a nice thick layer. There we go, that's looking pretty good. Then you pour it into a container. This one I don't think is big enough. No, much too small. And I spill it everywhere, of course I do. A better container. And I just pour in some water. We want to hydrate the perlite. The perlite is what's going to be supplying the humidity in this fruiting chamber. Shotgun terrarium. A little bit more water. Starts floating, that's probably enough. Then I give it a mix. Making sure those granules of perlite are taking in as much water as they can. Super easy. Strain out the excess water. Get it all out. You don't want any excess water. Once it's strained, dump it back in the tub. Even it out. Nice flat surface area. Perfect. Okay. When it's ready for some mushrooms, take a piece of foil and just rest it on top of the perlite there. And here I have a tub with a bunch of side pins and bad surface conditions. So I'm going to put it into this fruiting chamber. This is a delicate procedure. You want to slowly ease the sides of the tub away from the cake. And when it is ready, invert and it should come right out. There we go. Place it in the middle, gently of course. Look at that. Lots of hyphae and primordia in that cake. Some nice pins. Mist the sides. I like to mist the sides, never directly on top of the cake. Just want to mist the sides. Like so. Just like that. The lid goes on. There you have it. It's really that easy. Super, super easy. This will keep your mushrooms happy. Right humidity content. Nice surface conditions. And side pins are not a problem. So good luck growing. And let me know if you have any success with this fruiting chamber. Alright, that's all for today. Hope you have lots of success growing. And I'll catch you later. Cheers.